Hey guys, Kyle Kelly from Kelly's Port. 2020 was one heck of a unique year. With all the craziness going on, we were fortunate enough to take care of a lot of families down here at the lake for a record year of boating. We were also fortunate enough that we were nominated in 4 different categories for Best of at Lake of the Ozarks, and guess what? We're fortunate enough we won all 4. First, our gas dock won for the cheapest gas and the best service down here at the lake. Darren, Kat, thank you guys for your business. Appreciate it very much. We were also fortunate enough to win our
amazing marina with over 100 wet slips. And our dry rack facility with around 100 spots to make boating easy for our customers. And none of this could have been done without our excellent service staff of 36 technicians. Nothing more like to see you guys out on the water enjoying yourself.
And finally, best boat sales, which in my opinion, guys, we could not have won that without that great service department and their guaranteed same-day service out there. It's truly a team effort. Big it up. Charlie, here you go. Matt, you're gonna need this and this. Thank you for your business. Thank you, Charlie, appreciate it. So guys, here at Kelly's Port, it truly is a team effort. Not our entire team there, but also our customers. We can't tell you how appreciative we are for the entire team effort and for everything everyone's given us and blessed us with. So thank you. Cheers to another great 2021. And thank you again for your wonderful, wonderful compliments to our team. Thank you for your business.